Hello again, everybody. It has now been 4 weeks since I started my new apprenticeship job as a Boilermaker. In this video, it is a bit longer, and that's because I wanted to share with you a couple inventions I've made to make work easier. So let's get right in. The first one is called Joa's tree. My name is Joa, and this is my tree. We make these things called legs, and we need to make 4 of them, which then create a set, and then that gets put into concrete and then reinforced with rebar to then hold a crane in place. This holds the threaded rod that we use, and there's 32 rods in the set, 8 rods per leg, and these little bits of angle steel on the ends of those sticks on the tree will hold each leg, and then the big long bar at the top is what we use to twist and then pull this invention out of the leg after we've assembled it. I'll show you some pictures of what a leg looks like in just a sec. Here we are. That's when they've been wrapped in black plastic wrap and had special waterproof tape put on the top of the top nuts. So we got 8 rods a leg, and that was 2 sets. These are rods that we use. This is like 48mm diameter. Here's the amount of nuts and washers we use and the special tape. And this is what the leg looks like after it's been somewhat assembled. And I'll put the tree sort of in the middle of those rods like this, except it'll be inside the leg, like in the actual interior, like from the photo before this one. And it'll just hold the rods, so then we can put the base plate on, which is what you can see right now, with the nuts screwed onto it. And previously we'd have to use the crane and another staff member and over 20 minutes just to put one base plate on out of a set. So it saved us a lot of time. Here's a second invention. It's a bit more simple. I called it Joa's Silver Slew Slinger. So there's a bit of explaining to do. The name I just thought would be pretty funny to use, but this is pretty much just a big lever to make pushing this thing called a slew around and around when we grease it up. So this is called a slew. It's the giant bearing that lets the crane's head and its arms spin around its tower or base, whatever you want to call it. And it has 2 layers of ball bearings, and both layers need to have grease applied, and this can be upwards of 6 liters of grease. And we have to spin the slew while applying the grease so that it can be spread evenly. And we use this special lever I made like this. I used an old decommissioned bolt that still fits in every hole of each type of slew that we have, and then you can just lock it onto the outside ring of the slew and then push it off like that. Hopefully you found this video interesting. I will have more videos like this, especially in the form of YouTube short, and I will see you guys in one of those a bit later. Bye.